is nice. Do you want to fly a drone?
Let's stop you for a
Okay,
second.
okay. Hello, welcome to Sake and Stories.
Today
I'm
we-
Marvin and she's
And I'm
Jasmine.
Eileen.
And we have a new member here.
No, I'm Sven.
He will be joining us for the hike. And because we just have a last minute change of plan, and right now we are quite lost. We're not sure where should we go. We departed at midnight so that we can start our hike in the early morning. Our plan is to hike Mount Kisokoma with a relaxing and easy route and stay in the campsite for the night. Our hiking plan consisted of a roadway transport to the station standing at the highest elevation of any station in Japan, and we can start our hike from there. However, the roadway is suspended as the prefectural road is collapsed and closed. Due to our lack of preparation, we didn't notice about the closure announcement in the official website. We found it out at the last minute after a short nap outside the convenience store. As a result, we carelessly find an alternative route, not knowing that it is very challenging to us. This was our first time crossing a river during a hike. The water level was manageable, but the looming raining weather made me a bit anxious about it rising the next
Dilemma.
day. Despite the delay caused by driving to the starting point of the alternative hiking route and finding the right trail, we decided to forge ahead with caution, determined not to soak our shoes or take an unexpected dip in the river. We took our time, each step a calculated move. The challenge of crossing, combined with the fatigue from a few sleepless nights, began to wear on me. Hello, welcome back, guys. So we have arrived at 8th station.
No, it's
And
a 7 station.
7th station? It's
Yeah.
7th station. Yeah, and it took us around 4 hours.
We crossed the river.
Right.
Sand through the rocks.
Yeah, and we thought they were there following us, and we keep shouting and waste our energy.
It was just a plane.
Yeah, it's just a plane flying through.
But it's
And-
so weird when we are like down there. We are not even that high up yet, but we still hear that.
It sounds so real.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are out of energy, and lucky that we found a refugee hut.
Yeah, man.
Let me show you around. So Sven is
I'm
Sleeping.
there.
yeah, right.
He carried that by hand.
And then these are poncho. And it's pretty cozy here. There's another room that we can take a nap. I'll show you later. So now we have two choices. One is we stay here for a night, or we keep on to reach our actual campsite. It will take us around 3 to 4 hours again. We actually have some, water here. We have toilet, and we can make our lunch or dinner here too. So I think it's a pretty good idea if we stay here. What do you think?
I do want to see the summit.
I actually have an idea.
I mean, if we
you
could sleep here and see the summit at the same time, that'd be great. But it's gonna be hard. No.
Another option is you leave your things here. You go for a summit and then you come back.
We could do that.
Yeah, I can do that. Yeah. So anyway, I think we're gonna take a nap first, and then we'll decide because right now it is 12.
Almost 12.
Yeah, 12 in the afternoon. Right. And
See you later.
so see you later. Hi guys.
Hi.
So we've survived the night
Yeah.
and
8:26 right now.
we have packed everything, boiled our water and refill everything. So we are so ready to go down. But Sven, he actually want to challenge the summit this morning. He left at 5. The last time we heard from him told us that he arrived at the summit, and I think he is going back now. It is almost 10 in the morning. Yeah, so Sven just came back. He nearly collapsed during the summit. The weather rating this morning was a great sea, terrible wind and rain. As we were unable to get our lunch from the campsite, we were down to our only cup noodle and potato chips. Exhausted, hungry and facing bad weather conditions, we decided not to summit. After he rested for an hour, he managed to join us for the descent. The river had risen, leaving no rocks to step on, so we held hands, waded through against the strong current. 4 hours later, we finally reached our car. Driving in disappointment, unable to show you the majestic view from the summit, we saw a heavenly city surrounded by the mountains emerging in front of us. We admired the view from inside of our car, stopping by the rest station to enjoy the moment, and ended our adventure without regret.
Come, let's find a place where we can get away. Just spend a day. Dream a dream with me. There's so much we can be. Just wait and see. The story's just begun. The story's just begun.
Next time, I'll be better prepared and train harder to carry the extra weight of the camera, drone and telescopes up the mountains. Discovering this beautiful city has inspired me to explore a local campsite there. Stay tuned for our next video to join us on a weekend adventure to this stunning city. See you.